When we started on a Burj Khalifa, you should understand that our cinema is made in a 70 mm. And when you put some story on Insta, then Insta also picks up only the center part of your screen. It's very difficult to edit.
When you hear Puneeth Rajkumar name, what will be the first thing that strikes your mind?
There are a lot of mixed emotions that happens obviously, and it is something which nobody has settled with as yet. So brains don't work. When you're taking a topic like this, brains still haven't settled down. Vikrant Rona is Vikrant Rona and KGF is KGF. We are proud of their achievements and I hope we make all of them proud too. Hi, this is Kicha Sudeepa here and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
This is Sunil from Sagara, Karnataka. My question is, day by day, you looking younger. Please share your fitness secrets.
So there are a few things you need to maintain that,
Have your dinner at 7 o'clock.
No,
and eat
that's true. He saw me when he's
and salad.
Yeah, nothing goes wrong when you eat less. So it's just that eat on time, and I'm the very wrong man to be giving tips across because I'm still trying to cope up with all the mistakes that I have done earlier in my life. So yeah, a little bit of discipline helps, and secondly, I think please understand your own body and just do what it needs. Don't go by other people's perspective. Your body is different.
Amreen from Hyderabad, what is the first thing he will say to his Bollywood crush, Kajol, when he meets her? And if he gets a chance to do a movie with her, then what kind of movie should it be?
When you meet your crush, actually, you just want to
Right.
Nothing. I don't think I have anything to tell her. I just want to. For your information, I still haven't. I got some 2-3 opportunities to meet her. I still didn't, because I promised that I will meet her the day I'm acting or I'm performing with her on the same screen, on the same frame. That is the day I want to meet and say a big hello. So yeah, I'm looking forward to, sir. Whatever the role, it doesn't matter, sir.
So in fact, we communicated your sentiments to her in our interview, and she says that you have a good taste.
Well, she will accept, obviously. And I think, yeah, see this, I do not know about how good a taste or how not good a taste it is. It is my taste, sir. And I'm very proud of it.
All right, so this is Siddharth from Mysore. Sudeep sir, do you think KGF brought major change for Kannada film industry, and will Vikrant Rona overcome KGF?
No, well, the second part of the question I'll answer. I don't think anybody needs to overcome anybody. If they have done a spot for themselves in Indian cinema, it is their hard work, their belief, and overtaking them doesn't define us in any better way. I think we have to do our own stuff, they do their own stuff, and if it has brought about some few changes, it has. It has brought about few changes because it's a belief that, people, when you do something, when you travel, people will watch. But what is it that they want, you have to give. It's not that, when you try to spend some money, people will watch. It is not. Their approach was good, their strategies were good, their timing went well. See, now that is even a luck factor counts there. When the release time, they had a very huge release, and then, when that film didn't do well, it added on to that. And I think it calls for honesty also. I think nature supports honesty.
Absolutely.
And I think they had it all, and yes, sir, Vikrant Rona is Vikrant Rona, and KGF is KGF. We are proud of their achievements, and I hope we make all of them proud too.
This is Abhishek from Bangalore. My question to Sudeep sir, how do you sleep only 3-4 hours every day, and you're so focused in day? Can everyone do that? Because I also want to be like you, sir.
No, please don't, sir. Please have good sleep, and don't blame me, put me into the thing that where other people around you start blaming me. I have been managing somehow. It's not that it's an option. I had no options at times. That's a struggle of my life. Right now, I'm trying to cope up and try to give myself a little more sleep than what I used to. Don't follow me on that part. I think your body, you should know better how much of sleep is required. Please go with what your instinct says, your body says.
Hi Sudeep Anna, I'm Venu from Madhugiri. Is that true that you're going to make a movie with Sujit Sahu, director?
Yeah, we are on discussions. He's a very interesting boy. He has got a lot of energy, a lot of ideas. We keep meeting, we keep discussing, and I think we have locked the intention of making a film together. So I hope it happens soon.
This is Sagar Sidhu. Hi Kicha bro, it's a personal request. It's okay if you can't continue with making movies, but never ever get compromised with health, bro. Please do take care of yourself. If you just give motivational speech, it gives us positive mind. set, that's enough.
That's very
So he
kind
wants
of
you
you,
to
very
take care
sweet of you.
yourself.
I'll consider that, sir. I'll consider that.
This is, I think, important. This is Chetan Gowda from Dod Ballapur. Okay. When you hear Puneet Rajkumar name, what will be the first thing that strikes your mind? I think this is an important one.
There are a lot of mixed emotions that happens, obviously, and it is something which nobody has settled with as yet. So brains don't work. When you're taking a topic like this, brains still haven't settled down. So it's a huge thing that everybody had to accept, and we are still coming in terms with it. So I think it's too early for me to answer that question. We are all still trying to come in terms.
Of course, that's understandable. Okay. Maya from Bangalore, I was super proud when Karnataka flag and Vikrant Rona title logo was launched, was in Burj Khalifa. How did you feel in that moment? And I'm super excited for Vikrant Rona.
That's a moment for all of us also, Sai. When we were standing in front of Burj Khalifa, yeah, we all knew what's going to come up because we have edited it, we have framed it, and there's a lot of hard work behind that. See, one thing, when we started on a Burj Khalifa, you should understand that our cinema is made in a 70mm. And when you put some story on Insta, then Insta also picks up only the center part of your screen. It's very difficult to edit. It only picks up the center part. If you put about 1 minute of thing, it only picks up the center part. Now Burj Khalifa is half your Insta. It goes and thins down as it goes up, it narrows down. How do you get everything to the center? We don't have any equipment which can edit it in such a way that, because see, when you keep a frame, probably you're to the right of my frame. Correct. Now, how do I center you, even, and the camera may be moving, how do I center you every frame? Because if you move, you're out of the building. That's the size of the screen. That's a challenge for us. We have worked so much because it's the first video thing that came on Burj Khalifa. Till then, people had put posters, there were animations and other things, but on a video scale, that was the first film. So we had a challenge. But that is what we were looking forward to, and I knew, and we were, there were all the countries' flags and everything that we had incorporated, and Dubai objected to playing any flags of anything because it is their protocol. The only thing they allowed is the color of our language, and luckily Karnataka is the only thing which has got a color to their language, yellow and red, and when we displayed it, trust me, for a minute there was this breathing moment, we all took a deep breath because that size in front of you, and for the first time, I don't know, I never felt that good to see our flag somewhere like that, and it was a moment for us. It was a moment for us, and I think that is what we spoke for the rest of the time than our trailer, and okay, it was good. I think, what did you feel about that thing? It was just the end. A lot of people had booked tickets just to come and see that. From our country and our state and our cities, they all traveled there. I didn't know that. There were about 2,000 to odd thousand people who had gathered there from our state, and they were hooting for it. They were like screaming, and I think it was
amazing.
We felt like something. I mean, something which cannot be explained. It is an experience. Hi, this is Kicha Sudeepa here, and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.